This is a stained beechwood folding chair from the late 19th century, turn of 1900. An awful lot of folding chairs were designed and made in this period, either side of 1900. This one's a little bit more involved, there's a little bit more to it. Before 1866, only 28 patents in total had been taken out for all types of chairs. Between 1866 and 1900, 305 patents alone had been taken out on folding chairs. Now, this chair has got no maker's mark or patent number to it, but because there's a little bit more to it than most folding chairs of this period that we see, you kind of feel that it probably did have a patent taken out for it. We haven't discovered it yet, our research goes on, hopefully one day we'll know who designed it. So, as you can see, the chair will recline as you sit into it, but it will also fold quite neatly. So I'm just going to sit into it and show you the full extent to which you can relax in it. So you sit down, you've got a nice footrest there, and you can just keep going, keep going, keep going, and there you go. I'm horizontal, and if I put this in the garden, in a sun trap somewhere, I can have a nice doze in the spring sun. Wouldn't that be lovely? So really quite a clever design, very simple, just reclines on your own body weight and movement, but you can get into all sorts of relaxing positions. You can go quite upright if you want, and as you see, you can even go to sleep in it. But more than that, it's made to fold up for travel, to make it portable. So if you did have it in a conservatory, you could take it out, as I said, to your favourite spot in the garden. Now, it's a bit of a knack to folding it. Some of these chairs are never quite as easy as it seems, and let's see if we can get this done in one take, fingers crossed. So it's all to do with the arms, where you can see, hopefully, you've got a metal bar here, and we've got to push this part of the X-frame beyond that to fold it. So we'll open that up like that, then the legs will fold neatly with the bar reversing and going the other way, then the back will fold down, and the footrest will fold down, and there you go, folded up to a comparatively small size and quite easy to carry into the garden. So English, late 19th century, around about 1900 in date, stained beechwood folding chair, and very, very comfortable and relaxed.